Hello! Mayong buntag! Welcome to my vlog! Sana kay kamunggay diri guys! Magharos ta, kuyugi ko ninyo. How is your day today? Mga guys! Is it okay? Na nagluto ko manok. Tinolang manok. Nagluto ko tinolang manok, guys. Ato lang na siya diretso-diretso. Hello. Kumusta naman mo din ha? I'm doing very well. And I want to eat tinolang manok. This is our lunch for today. This is our lunch. Tinolang manok. Anong oras na po ba? So, sa garden ko lang po to kinuha yung kamunggay. Or, in English, aning kamunggay? What's the English of this kamunggay? Malapit nang magbukal-bukal ang aking tinolang manok. Hindi ko lang siya na videohan kanina kasi na-busy po ako. Preparing. Look how to get the kamunggay. Just like this one. The steam one. You have to get the steam. Yeah. If you have this in your tinolang manok, your tinolang manok is very yummy. It's good for the health, kamunggay. Moringa? Is this moringa in English? So, this one, guys. Baka meron pa tayong muta, guys. Ito po. Nagluluto po ako ngayon. So, I don't have a trafo. Trafo para sa... ito. Dito lang pala. So, tingnan natin. Pak! Ganun. Mabukal-bukal na po. Okay. So, I have fried chicken also. This one. Mamaya ko na po lulutuin. Hello everybody. How's your day? Is it okay or not? Is it okay? So we're not done yet. We're not done with this kamunggay. So we have to finish harvest it. Hindi ko po alam kung anong tawag dito. Basta kay ito lang po ang ginagawa ko. Tinatanggal ko siya sa steam. Para hindi tayo mabukog pag kumain na tayo. Tinatanggal natin to. Po. Like this one. Tsaka kailangan palungin ko muna yung stove. Baka mahurot yung tubig eh. Mahurot yung sabaw ko. Wala na ko yung sabaw. Ubos na ang sabaw. Kasi hindi ko enough yung stove ko. lang po. I have to turn it off. Because, you know, I didn't finish yet with my kamunggay. So that's why I have to turn it my stove. It's so hard speaking English, my God. But sometimes Bisaya and Tagalog. So many will understand me. What am I talking about? Because I am a Bisaya. Born on a Philippine island. Born in the Philippine island of Cebu. So I'm done. Amor lovote, sometimes never enough. Here I am, the one that you love. Oh, you can, there is my granddaughter and grandson here. They're eating. And the youngest one is crying. And the name is Aya. She is my granddaughter. You're my granddaughter? Yeah? Oh, what's your name? Your name is Aya? Your name is Aya, isn't it? Your name is Aya? And you're crying? Why are you crying, Aya? Why? Why are you crying? What is happening? What is happening, eh? Okay guys, bye-bye guys. Magluluto lang po ako ng aking tinolang manok. I will turn it on. I will turn this on. And you will see what's gonna happen. And I will put my kamunggay. Ilalagay ko po to ang aking kamunggay sa kaldero. Ito po. So, ilalagay po natin. So, meron pang isa. Ilagay natin. Kain mo na. So, finish na to guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching po. Bye-bye.